First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm tired of the way that things are been. The way that things are been. Second, don't you tell me what you think that I can be. I'm the one at the sail, I'm the master of my steel. The master of my steel. I was broken from my young age, sharing my tongue, giving to the masses, running my own ways for the devil that look at me, killing me, shooting me, killing me, singing from heartache, from the pain, taking my message, giving the pain, speaking my message, from the pain, seeing the beauty through the world. All the hate that you brought has turned your spirit to a dog. Your spirit up above. I was shrinking to the ground, feeling my pain, wanting me to